Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. As you can see here, we've got the backup option, and right now it is turned off, so let's enter here and tap on the switcher to turn it on. As you can see right now, we've got the account, so let's tap on it and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. And let's tap on Next. Right now you have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on Next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can tap on it in order to read all the information. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. And here we've got actually listed all of the things which will be backed up, so your device will back up apps and apps data, call history, contacts, device settings, and text messages. So let's tap on OK. And as you can see, we just successfully added our backup account to this device, and from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. What's more, here you can decide how you want to back up your data, so you can use Wi-Fi only, and this option right now it is turned on, it is defaultly turned on, and I highly recommend to leave it like this, because if you will use the mobile data to backup, your developer may charge you some money. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.